Alrighty mga Konggoy, it is I, Manong Jaire, back at it again with a brand new usapang video. And ngayon, another work-related vlog or parang usapang video dito mga Konggoy. So ang question is, but honestly, why is our generation so unhappy? Here is the response of someone. Salaries don't match the cost of living. Education doesn't guarantee you a job. Mismo. Everything is so damn expensive. Tapos yung salaries hindi tumataas, pero yung mga presyo ng bilihin pataas ang pataas. Exactly! That is exactly the reason why most of our generation is so unhappy. Bukod sa napakahirap makakuha ng trabaho, yung salaries these days, yung sweldo, napakababa. It's not enough to keep you alive. At the same time, karamihan ng mga bilihin dito sa putang inang bansa na to is so damn fucking expensive. Nakakainis mga kaunggoy. Bakit kaya ganito? Why is our country so shit? Ngayon, to further this shit, meron ditong GDP, Gross Domestic Product, no? So, Manila ranked 59 out of 60 in the 2024 Global Life Work Balance Index. Kamusta ang work-life balance mo? The Philippines ranked 59 out of 60 in the 2024. So, according to the Human Resource Platform, the index revealed which of the world's top 60 GDP countries have the best work-life balance this year, mga kaunggoy. They considered factors such as basta ito mga annual leave, paid maternity leave, and average hours worked per employee for this index. So basically, yung how much does your work parang consume your life, no? May mga kumpanya na walang pake sa mga employees nila. Oh, may sakit ka? Fuck you! Pumasok ka, kung hindi, you're gonna get fired. Oh, may cancer ka? Fuck you, pumasok ka, kung hindi ka namin bibigyan ng sweldo at you're fired. Ganon. Ang daming mga kumpanya na ganon, no? Yung halos mamatay-matay ka na tapos walang pake ang kumpanya. May injury ka na, walang pake ang kumpanya. Nagkakasakit ka na, walang pake ang kumpanya. Anong klaseng kaputang inahan yan, mga kaunggoy? No? So, yon, work-life balance, mga kaunggoy. Tingnan natin, 59 out of 60 countries, mga kaunggoy. Ang pinaka-top 1 is New Zealand, tapos Dublin, Ireland. There is a fucking reason why a lot of Filipinos want to work abroad. There is a fucking reason why Filipinos want to leave this god-forsaken fucking country, mga kaunggoy. It's because of shit like this, companies that don't give a shit about their workers, their employees, and fucking yung putang inang ekonomiya natin na napaka-shit, ang mahal na mga bilihin, ang baba ng mga salaries. Like, let's say magkasakit ka, di ba? Magastos magkasakit, no? You have to pay for your hospital bills, no? Let's say nagkasakit ka dahil sa trabaho and kailangan mo ng pera para sa panggamot. Ngayon, mauubos yung sweldo mo. Ngayon, what is left? Naubos yung sweldo mo sa pagpagamot sa sarili mo. What is left? Ano na ang natira sa pera mo? Paano ka kakain? Paano ka makakabayad ng upa? Ang mahal ng mga bilihin ngayon. So yeah, work-life balance dito sa Philippines, it is very shit. Actually, may mga nagkakwento nito eh. Like, nakauwi na kayo, nagre-relax na kayo sa bahay, tapos bigla kayong tatawagan ng supervisor nyo na sasabihin, oh, ganto, ganyan, bukas, ganto, ganyan, tapos kailangan ayusin nyo to, ganto, ganyan. Alam mo yun, nakauwi ka na, tapos you are being reminded of work, no? Hindi ka makarelax sa sarili mong bahay kasi kukontakin ka ng boss mo na, oh, ganto, ganyan, oh, bakit ganto, ganyan. Kaya napaka-shit talaga. So, napaka-shit talaga ng state the economy here in the Philippines. Will the Philippines on a economical level, economics, work, parang ekonomiya, yung GDP, work-life balance, will the Philippines ever fix itself? Sadly, hindi ko nakikita. And I believe wala nang wala nang pag-asa na maayos pa mga kaunggoy, and it's very shit. Kaya what's the solution mga kaunggoy? Tara na! Mag-process na tayo ng passport. Lumipat na tayo ng ibang bansa mga kaunggoy. Tara na! Let's come with me and let us move to a brand new country mga kaunggoy. Excited na ako lumipat sa ibang bansa mga kaunggoy. Let us get the fuck out of here. Let's get the fuck out of this fucking country, alright? Ayun lang mga kaunggoy. Ano masasabi niyo sa lahat ng topic na to, no? So, why our generation is so unhappy and yung work-life balance, blah blah blah, ganon, no? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want to support the Manong Jaire channel, click the super stickers, super thanks. Ito, yan. To support this channel, and kung gusto niyo lang, join the channel as well. I gotta head out.